A knock on the door, welcoming with a smile. Welcome to Read with Rimmi. We read, we grow. Everyday English Series Episode 1. Let's dive in and see how we can greet a guest warmly in English. The doorbell rang. Meena rushed to the door and opened it. "Hi, Uncle Amit. Welcome," she said, smiling. Uncle Amit grinned. "Hello, Meena. It's so good to see you." Meena stepped aside. "Please come in and make yourself comfortable." "Thank you, dear," Uncle Amit said. "Your home looks lovely." Meena smiled. "Can I get you some tea or coffee?" "That would be wonderful," Uncle Amit replied. Meena went to the kitchen, humming a tune. She opened the cabinet for biscuits, but the tin was empty. "Oh no," she whispered. She turned around and saw her son, Arjun, sitting on the floor with biscuit crumbs all around him. "Arjun, you finished all the biscuits?" Meena asked, half laughing. Arjun giggled. "They were so yummy, Mom." Meena shook her head, smiling. "It's okay," she thought. "I made some snacks 2 days ago." She quickly reheated them and placed them on a tray. Returning to Uncle Amit, she said, "Sorry, no biscuits today, but I hope you like these snacks instead." Uncle Amit smiled. "No problem at all. I'm just happy to be here." Meena laughed. "That's a relief. Thanks for listening. We are learning and growing together."